This morning I woke up and I wanted to do a spring makeup look. Let's get into it. I'm using my Sephora Best Skin Ever. This is the color 38P. Then I'm using my e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. I love this color, deep cinnamon. Also, I just got this Real Techniques brush. I love how it blends so evenly. It's worth the hype. I heard about it for so long. So I'm just putting on my forehead, my smile lines, my chin. Just blending that out. Blend, blend, blend. Blending is key in makeup. Here I'm just adding a little bit of eyeshadow, not too much. I went in with a light color, then I went over top with a deeper brown. Lining my lash line with Tower 28 Draw Me. Then setting my concealer with my Huda Beauty setting powder in Cinnamon Bun. This is the perfect powder. Then I'm adding a little bit of bronzer by Juvia's Place. Putting a little Essence mascara and blush by Juvia's Place. I've been loving this blush this week. Putting my Refi highlighter. You guys know how I feel about this. It gives you the prettiest luminous highlight. And so we're just smoothing that in. Love to put it on the tip of my nose, the bridge, and I like to go in on my forehead. This just gives you this soft shimmery glow that looks so natural. I love that. Then I'm lining my lips with my Makeup Forever Limitless Brown pencil. I wanted a soft brown look. Then I'm trying two new combos, the NYX matte lipstick and another one that's called Athens. I love how this combo came out. Then I top it with my favorite Dulce Latte by Juvia's Place. I love this lip gloss. Here I'm relining, just bringing that brown back in. And yeah, it's time for hair. I did some heatless curls, just combing that through, and this is the final look. What do you think? Let me know down in the comments. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave. Bye!